All right, good morning, and I'm back again, and it's the my 2013 Fiat. The brake light wasn't working. The right rear brake light, and there was a we have a warning light. That's the you see here is the triangle. You see that's the triangle. That's the one. So what I did, it gives me the service or what is wrong. It's the light that was bad, and so I had somebody press on the brakes for me, and then when I look the back, and it was the right rear light light bulb, brake light bulb that was bad. So I going to show you how to replace it. It's good that the vehicle will give show me what is wrong, and instead of because if you just take your vehicle for inspection, because it needs an inspection so I can get it the registration renewed. And so at a registration place they'll probably charge me 30 minutes of labor to do it, but now I can do it myself. So I'm going to show you the process. Okay, this is the yeah, that's the light. So you have that screw right here, a bolt, yeah, right here, and then there's another one right here, and then that's basically all you have. But to remove them, you will need the this type of screw. It's a hex to remove it. And so once you get the bulb, once you get the big screws out, then this is a little bit hard. Okay, so what I do on the side, don't use a screwdriver because you mess up the paint on the side. So I just use this plastic tool here to pry this open. Okay, and then like this, and then I was able to remove it. And this is what it looks like. See, this is what it looks like. And then all you do, you see here, that's the electric connection, and you pull on this, and pull this out. So okay, you see here, you unsnap this part here, and then you just pull this out. Okay, and then after that, you cannot see the light bulbs inside. The reason is because it is covered with water and moisture from getting in. So that's how it's done. It's very basic if you want to do it yourself. All right, this is the housing, the light, and then if you flip it over, now you see to access all the light bulbs, you have to remove this plastic cover here. Okay, it is a protection, it's a seal to prevent water, moisture, and air from getting in, so you won't fog. Yeah, this part here. Okay, you won't fog it up. So now you would need those hex the tools to remove it. It's not a simple screwdriver. You can see it's not just a simple Phillips or flat screwdriver. You will need one of these. Okay, and that's how you remove the housing, the cover, and then find out the size of the light bulb. Okay, removing. See, that's remove. Unscrewing the first one. Okay, and put the screw here, and the same goes for the other three. Okay, now I'm removing yeah, the last one, or the fourth one. Okay, and so now we just have to carefully lift this up. Okay, see, there we go. And as you can see, the white one is the one that see, there we go. The white one is the one that blew, and that's the brake light. The small one here, you see, that's the this one here, that's the reverse. Okay, and this is a turn signal, and the white one is the brake light. So that's the one that is damaged. Okay, so I'm going to look in my stash to see if I have any extra ones, and if I don't, then I will have to go to the auto parts store to get a light bulb. Well, fortunately, I have plenty of these light bulbs. Okay, you can see I keep a stash of them, a lot. And over here, I have also, you see, I have other light bulbs of different sizes and stuff. So I don't throw them away. So this is the one I need. You can see you got two connectors, and then got two different light filaments inside, and this one is blowing. So I'm just going to replace this and then test it in the vehicle. It's it's very simple. All you do is inside, when you put it, make sure you because she has two heads. So make sure when you put it, and those two heads are sitting in on this the connection. One is plus, one is minus. But make sure, make sure it's those two are sitting in it, because if you put them, if there's no connection, then the light will not work. And then kind of trying to use gloves too. Okay. Okay, so right, just right so. All right, so before I put everything back together, I'm gonna have my boy push on the brakes for me. Go ahead, Philip, push on the brake. There we go, you see it works. So let go. Yeah, press again. Yeah, press. Okay, good. Thank you. All right, so that tells you it works. Okay. Now that I checked this light, it works, so I can just put it back together. It's just the opposite of what I did, and it won't go any other way, folks. Just one position. And then make sure you got a proper seal. Yeah, okay. So air and water won't go in. Make sure it sits properly. Okay, so it looks perfect. And then so just go ahead and put all the four screws back. These are the four screws I removed, and just go ahead to put them back where they were. It's very simple. I don't think you want me to show you how to screw these in, so I'll show you the next step. All right, now it is ready to be mounted back on the vehicle. Okay, to mount it back, you see there are two main screws, one here, okay, two. That's what we removed previously, the two screws, and then over here there's that little okay, the two screws, and there's a support bracket in the inside on the side here. You just okay. Once you okay, then you have to put the there you go, the connection, the wire. You just put it back to slide it back, and then you just put the light assembly or the housing assembly back to where it was. It's a very simple. Okay. Okay, it's a very simple process, so you don't have to pay somebody at the auto shops, or when you're doing your inspection. If your light bulb is bad, they'll charge you probably 30 minutes to do it, of labor to do it, but you can do it yourself. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Bye.